Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to change this PANARS multifunction watch, sports watch. I just showed you guys on how to change the watch band already. So in case you guys missed it, I will show you the link toward the end of this video. And let's go ahead and get this started. This is the PANARS stopwatch. So let's go ahead and take out the watch band real quick by pushing the pin out. I got this thin needle tool, or you can use any other thumbtack. So, oh, make sure it doesn't fly out. Lucky it didn't fly out. Put that on the side, and you want to have some kind of plastic protective so you won't scratch your lens. I'm gonna put it down like this. I'm gonna zoom in. You need to remove 4 of those Phillips screws. Those 4 Phillips screws around the watch. Make sure you push down firmly and then just unscrew it. I'm going to push down firmly and loosen all the 4 screws. Ooh, I can feel something pop out already, so I'm not sure it's the battery push against it or the springs inside. So let's go ahead and see what's inside there. And you want to press the battery cover down while you try to unscrew this, because you don't want to strip the screw threads. By the way, all 4 screws are the same size. And this is what it looks like. So hopefully nothing is going to fly out. So as you can see, so be careful about this seal, the rubber seal. You want to go ahead and put in correctly around this watch frame right here. Make sure you know which way to go in later on, okay? Your orientation. So this is the spring that is pushing out against the battery door. And then this is the whole mechanism for the watch. So you need to peel this sticker off. So there's a fine Phillips screwdriver right here. I believe that's the screw that locking up the battery. So let's see if I put this one back. Yep. So this is the screw for the battery to lock into its place with that metal frame. Make sure you don't lose it. Oh, so this one is a CR2032 battery. And this is the clip that go in on the other side. Make sure you go in on this side first and then screw in the battery cover. Let's take this one out. Let's see. So this is a 3-volt battery. Maxwell. That's a pretty good battery. Made in Japan. So anyway, this is how you put, change your battery in case your watch battery dies out. So let's go and then put this back. So actually you don't really need to remove the cover. The sticker. So this is the plate, metal plate for the watch battery. Make sure you insert this in first. And then now you can screw in there. Oops. Make sure you screw in slowly and straight down. Okay, make sure the watch is on. So it's got reset to 1 o'clock. You want to take out this rubber ring on the seal. Make sure you put it into around the frame and it doesn't move, or else the water is going to go in. Don't screw tie it, just because you need some of the adjustment. So normally I like to cross screw in the screws, like cross. What? Seems like there's a magnet here. Now you can tie that now, okay? So make sure all the screws are tight down correctly. And then now I can insert my pin. By the way, there are some 4 more of the hole right there for you to adjust to become tighter or loosen. I'm just going to leave the one that's on the outside hole. Go ahead and play with the hole. Make sure you click in, and then that's it. All right. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to share this with your friend, family on social media if they have a similar to this kind of watch or PANARS watch, sports watch. You could tell them to watch this video on how to change it and also on how to adjust the band. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.